Dash cam front and rear CHORTAU dual dash cam 3-inch dashboard camera full HD 170 degrees wide angle backup camera with night vision WDRG sensor parking monitor loop recording motion detection. Dash cam front and rear. This dual dash cam equipped with 1080p resolution front camera and waterproof rear camera. The car dash cam with 6 PCSIR LED and wide dynamic range. The front camera captures the license plates and road signs clearly even at night, thus ensuring to get you the best footage. Wide angle front 170 degrees and rear 130 degrees camera help eliminate the blind spots of your vision. Loop recording. An emergency accident lock. Seamless loop recording overwrites the old footage with new content when the card is full. Variable sensitivity G sensor automatically detects a sudden collision and immediately saves the relevant footage and locks it to SOS file, thus preventing any overwriting and thereby protecting your video evidence. Keep you away from driving disputes. This dashboard camera supports up to 32 GB of micro South Dakota card not included in package. Dash cams with parking mode. The dash cams automatically powers on and starts recording as soon as impact is detected, thus providing you a video evidence if your car is scratched by someone in parking. Hence ensuring your peace of mind with complete 24/7 monitoring of your car. We suggest some important function settings for your daily using. G sensor level, choose lower, turn off. Loop recording, choose 3 minutes. Motion detection, choose off. Parking monitor, choose on. Easy installation and use. This dash camera is very easy to install and operate with reference pictures in our user manual. The included suction mount could be easily attaches anywhere on your windshield in seconds. Just insert South Dakota card, not included, and connect to the power supply. The car dash camera will start recording. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.